Well, a little over a year ago, I assembled a Rubbermaid Big Max 7x7 shed. And I told you then that I'd get back to you after a year or so to tell you about my experience with this shed. Well, today's the day. And I'm going to keep it short and sweet, so make sure you stick around to the end. Now, like I said, a year or so ago, I purchased and erected a Rubbermaid Big Max 7x7 shed. Now, I did a video on the assembly process, and I gave my opinion of the product as I felt at the time. There's a link to that video above and also in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. So, what has this shed been subjected to over this past year, and how's it holding up? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's seen all 4 seasons and has been exposed to everything from very high summer temperatures to strong winds to numerous deluges of rain, as well as freezing winter weather and, of course, snow. I've also stored some really heavy items within its confines. The only additions I've made to the shed have been to install a solar-powered LED light over the door and another one inside. So now, the reason you're here. My experience has been that the Rubbermaid Big Max 7x7 shed has met and even exceeded all my expectations. The walls and roof remain weather resistant and appear to be in the same condition as they were when they were first installed. I see no evidence of sun or other weather damage at all. As for the floor, like I mentioned earlier, I stored some pretty heavy things inside, and the floor doesn't show any indication of weakness or damage. So all in all, I'm very pleased with this product and feel comfortable recommending both it and its maker, Rubbermaid. You see, I found them to be responsive and responsible when I contacted them after my purchase because some parts were missing. Now, I believe they were missing because of the actions of the retailer, not from Rubbermaid. Now, see my review that I mentioned earlier. Well, there you have it. I'm happy with the Rubbermaid Big Max 7x7 shed. Now, I hope this information makes your choice of shed just a little bit easier. Oh, do me a favor while you're here. Like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel, and then make sure you hit that bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.